One of your assignments for this week is going to be to complete this proven worksheet. This worksheet is developed to help you find some good sources to use for your upcoming speech. The acronym PROVEN stands for Purpose, Relevance, Objectivity, Verifiability, Expertise, and Newness. And these are all aspects that you are looking for in a source to use for your speeches. So I want you to find a source. It could be an article, a book, a blog, any source you can find that's relevant towards the topic you're thinking about. And I'm going to have you go ahead and you'll just put the citation right here. And then I want you to go through and answer these questions. These questions are going to help you figure out if this is a source that you should be using for part of your resources for your speech. So it goes through and it asks about 3 questions for each part of the acronym. And I don't expect your answers to be long. For example, this one here, who is your intended audience? You know, just a sentence for each will be perfect. I just want you to really study and look at this source so you can figure out if it's a good source to use. For the sake of this worksheet assignment, it's okay if your source, if you answer no to one of these. However, that might lend you to think about finding different sources to use for your speech. So, recap, I want you to pick a source, can be from a book, magazine, blog, YouTube video, anything relevant to your research topic for your speech. Then I want you to find one source. You're going to put the APA citation here and go through and answer these questions. This is part of the scaffolding assignment. So the idea is that each of these mini assignments that we're doing is going to help prepare you for your speech so you're not doing all this planning for your speech in the same week.